Hello my friends, and welcome to today's video, which is a tour of my home for fall 2023. This past weekend was also our Canadian Thanksgiving, so I thought it was the perfect time to show you how my home turned out for fall and Thanksgiving this year. As we stroll through the house and some of the spaces I've already decorated in previous videos, you'll notice a few changes. I hope that you enjoy this video, and let's get started. The day I filmed this, it was pouring rain outside and really windy and cold, so I will be sure to leave a link to my fall porch decorating video in the cards up above and in the description box below, and go check out and you can see how my porch came together for fall this year. It was really pretty and I absolutely loved it. One change I did make in the hallway is I placed one lantern on each side of the hallway as you walk in the front door, and I put this mum plant that my husband gave me for our 36th wedding anniversary this past week, and I love the way it looks behind this little lantern. And then behind this one I have an old fall pick which ties into the same one that is in the basket on the hallway table down the entryway a little bit. But I'm loving the way these lanterns look on each side as you walk in, and it's given me some ideas for Christmas time, so be sure that you are subscribed so you can come back and see what I do with them. My dining room consists of furniture that my husband grew up with. It was in his parents' home when he was growing up, so it's really kind of neat to have all the stuff that he grew up with. It's such good quality furniture. And these dishes are also from my mother-in-law, and I inherited those when she did pass on a few years ago, so it was kind of nice to have them out, and it made it feel like they were celebrating here with us. We kept it very small this year. I had my son and my sister-in-law over. It was a wonderful evening, and we so enjoyed it. But everything here is all from the family, and I absolutely love it. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to this beautiful rechargeable USB lighter that I recently received. It has an on-off switch and is charged through a USB cable. It is beautiful. I got the champagne gold. Very affordable, and what a great gift for somebody who is hard to buy for on your Christmas list. I think I might be ordering a few more of these to go with a candle. Perfect gift. And I will be sure to leave a link to this in the description box below in case you are interested in purchasing one for yourself. Now we're going to head into my kitchen, and this is where you will probably see some of the bigger changes. If you've been following my fall decorating series, then you know that when I first started decorating this space, I wasn't putting out pumpkins, but of course, as the weeks went by and the months changed, and so did the weather, I started adding the pumpkins leading up to our Thanksgiving. So this is probably where you will see the biggest changes, and I will be sure to leave a link to the playlist in case you missed any of those videos. And here's a quick tip for you. If your napkin ring doesn't exactly match your season, this is one I use at Christmas time, I just flipped it over and put it on the underside of the napkin on top of the charger, and all I see is the gold now. Works perfectly. And not only that, it sits up very nicely on the charger. Now my entryway hallway table leads into my living room, and this is another space that I really did change up just recently. As a matter of fact, right before Thanksgiving, I just wasn't feeling the way the table was situated before, so I decided to switch up some of the decor and move it around, and I love it. I am so sad I didn't have it like this for the whole season, but I do love it now. And then this table will lead into my living room, and really the biggest change in there is going to be the mantle. And now the last stop on the tour is going to be my master bedroom. If you watched my master bedroom decorate with me, I had mentioned that I had been waiting for a new duvet, actually comforter set to come in from Amazon. It hadn't arrived yet. Well, it has arrived, and oh my gosh, I am leaving a link to this thing. It is the warmest, the comfiest, the coziest comforter set I have ever had, and it is reversible. I absolutely love it. We have been loving it since we got it, so I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below in case you are interested in it. They had tons and tons of different designs and colors. And of course, one thing leads to another, so now I have to get some new curtains, but all the good things in time. I'm in no rush to get them. We are just enjoying this new comforter, and it's our bedroom, so it's fine if the curtains and the comforter aren't a perfect match.
'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the